next. Alright y'all, so I'm starting off with sectioning my hair to 4 sections, and I'm using TGIN Rose Water Curl Defining Gel. One of my favorite go-to gels because of the strong hold with my unruly hair. The curls definitely need it. I have tried a few different other gels and I just need a strong hold. So this one does the job for me. I'm also applying water, and I'm using a denim brush and the finger shingling method. So I'm basically just taking a small piece of my hair and I'm wrapping it around my finger, and you guys will see that. I'm going to show you here in 1 second, but literally this is what I do throughout the entire head. You can just brush it through and your curls will be defined, but if you want kind of like a more defined look, then this is probably a good technique for you to use. So yes, I was so happy to see my curls and my length. As y'all know, I just got the big chop done, so I'm really excited to see the growth of my hair. So in this front section, I did do a zigzag part. I wanted to try something different. I wanted to do like a swoop on the side and just try it out and see how it would work. And I'm using Main Choice gel for this one. I forgot the name of this one. It's in the purple label. It's a stronghold gel as well. This part really did not come out as I wanted it to, but it actually didn't come out bad. So I decided to keep it and show you guys what I did here. But I'm just basically applying the gel and then brushing it down the side to behind my ear. And you can continue just to, you know, finger shingle and get your curls on this side as well, but this is just an extra step I tried to do, which didn't turn out as expected. But hey, that's why we're here. Trial and error. We are learning together. So yes, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. If you're on Instagram, follow me on Instagram at The Natural Brown Beauty. Yes, y'all, I got some exciting things that I'm working on, and I'm really excited to share with you guys. And also, I am gonna get better with posting more YouTube videos. But thank you guys so much for your support thus far. Again, make sure you're subscribed so you don't miss out. So now we're back to the same thing, applying water, applying the TGIN gel, and using my denim brush and finger shingling. And repeat this same process throughout your entire head, and you're good to go, sis. So I want to say this took me all of an hour, if that. So once you get the technique down, you know, it's fairly simple, fairly quick. If you have time to sit under the dryer, go for it. With this one style, I did decide to just let it air dry. Of course, it takes a lot longer, but hey, it just depends on how much time you got. Keep in mind you always want to brush from the ends to the roots, so that's what I'm doing here. Then once it is fully detangled, I'm gonna go ahead and shingle that on through and through. And then once this is done, I always give my hair a good shake. You have to give your hair a shake. We don't have to, but I feel like you have to. But yeah, so once you do that, that will complete the look. Also, baby hairs, another annoying thing that I don't know, I feel is necessary, cherry on top. But yeah, so I do show you guys how I did my baby hairs on this, and then once I show you guys that, it's pretty much it. This is a very simple but cute look. My curls are popping. I'm so thankful. If y'all have been following me, you know that I've been dealing with like heat damage before, and so I cut my hair back in February, and my hair has been growing, flourishing ever since. So I'm so happy for that, and I'm so glad that I can share my experience with you, and I can look back myself and see like how far I've come. My hair, I could never do this before with heat damage, so I'm very thankful for that. But yeah, that's it, and now we're gonna get into these baby hairs. And I'm using Gorilla Glue, not the one in the can that the one girl used. Or no, Gorilla Snot, I should say, not Gorilla Glue, Gorilla Snot. So I'm using that to try to like lay my hair down even more, and I'm also using that for my edges as well. And is it just me, or does y'all baby hair be acting up too? I don't understand. Like, I have in my head one vision of how I want it, and then it comes out a completely different way with the baby hair. They're so annoying. Let me know in the comments below like what edge control or what gel y'all use to kind of like get y'all baby hair to behave, because mine need to behave. And that's the finishing look. Thank you guys so much for watching. I'll see you guys next time.